No, ma'am. In that it is not coming correctly, ma'am. Clarity is not there, ma'am. So
No, no, just for the sound. You are holding the mic, right? For that I said, not
yes,
for the
ma'am.
video. You will have that Bluetooth speakers and all, right? Headset and all.
Yes. Uh-huh.
That you can
Okay,
use,
ma'am.
no?
I'll
One for
try.
Nimilan and one for you. So it will be easy. You need not hold that speaker all the time.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'll try, ma'am, next class.
Yeah, fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
First letter, children. Yeah, thank you. First letter is E. First, children, come on. E. Unmute. Sorry, everyone, mute yourself. Come on. Pick up the card and just show it to ma'am. E. Parents should not help them. They themselves have to identify and pick up the card. Very good, Riya Sri, Adya. Very good. Ulta E, Kadambari. E, very good. Very good, Tilaka. Don't unmute yourself, Tilaka. Just show me your card. I can see everyone. Okay? Very good, children. Keep it aside. The cards which you have picked out, keep it aside. Okay? பக்கத்துல தனியா வச்சிருங்க அந்த card. Next letter is A. A. Very good, Shravanya. A. Pick up the card. A. Adarsh. Very good, Adarsh. Very good, Ilango, Riya Sri, Kadambari, Adya, Shravanya. Tilaka, now only I told you, don't unmute yourself. Capital A. Show me capital A. Where is capital A? Very good, Kevin. Now the next letter is D. D. Hmm. No, wow. Okay, fine. Adjust with the small letters itself. D. D. Very good. Why Nimalan's camera is not working? D.
Not working, ma'am.
Yes, yes. It's still right like that. I can't see what letter he is picking up. D,
I'll
I
check, ma'am.
said. Good morning, Ma Pranavi and Ravina. D. I said D. Who's that picking up D? Tilakar. D. D for the drum. See me play on my drums. Da. You all of you mute yourself, children. Now the next card. Good morning, Ma Pravina and Pranavi. Please mute yourself. Next letter is C. 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 Very good. Kevin C. Tilakar, next letter A, I have told Tilakar. C. Kevin, good. Lango, good. Kadambari. Adya. Adarsh, very good. Are you conducting the identification activity for Adarsh? Adarsh's mom?
Yes, ma'am. Up to E. Be teaching, ma'am.
You're
And
teaching.
he's
Okay, good.
identifying and writing, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, very good, Tilakar. Mute yourself, Tilakar. Unless I tell you, you should not unmute yourself, Tilakar. Please, Tilakar, okay? Next is B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. 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 Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. Very good. Ulta B, Kevin. Very good, B. 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 Tilakar B, I said. Yeah, good B. Very good, children. Now, next set of letters F, G, H, I, J. F, G, H, I, J. 5 letters. F, G, H, I, J. Ready? Parents, next set of letters will be K, L, M, N, O. Yeah. You already wished good morning, right? Both of you naughty, you both have become, huh? Pranavi and Pravina. Come on, take your alphabet cards. F, G, H, I, J. F, G, H, I, J. Ready? Now the first letter is J. Pick up J, jelly and jam, jelly and jam, J, ja, 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 ja. Nakshatra. Where is your card? Nakshatra. J. Very good. Both of you sit down first. Don't stand up. Sit down. J. Very good. Sit and show me. Take out the background. Pranavi and Pravina, clear the background first. I don't want to see you in background. Come on. Pranavi and Pravina's brother is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Sabarish?
Yes, ma'am.
Take out the background, Sabarish.
Okay.
Now next is G. G, 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 G. Water gurgles down the drain. G. Pravina, why are you holding F, Pravina? G.
G.
G, 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 G. Water gurgles down the drain. G, 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 G. Very good, Tilakar. Mute yourself. I can see everyone. Don't unmute yourself. G. Sarah, good morning. What happened, Sarah? Why? Sarah is crying. What happened? Sarah's mom scolded her.
Everything got late today, ma'am. I forced her for the class. That's why she's.
Why? There is no issue, no? Okay, no problem, Sarah. Sarah, don't cry. Okay, what do you want to do? Come on, cool down. Don't cry. Sit still. Don't cry. You need not do anything, okay? Don't do anything. Calm down. Don't cry. You want to drink water? Go drink water and come. Go. And go and come. Go. Don't force her, Sarah's mom. Okay. Next is children. G finish. Okay. Next is H. Ha ha ha. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. Ha 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 ha. Ha. Very good, Ilango. Riya Sri Yukta. Good. Nakshatra. Stop playing, Nakshatra. Yeah, good. H. Very good, Nakshatra. H. Very good, Adarsh. H. Good, ma, Kevin. And the next is F. Next letter F. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the air came out. F. Good, very good. Sarah is back online. F. Good girl, Sarah. High five, Sarah. Sarah. Oh, wow, why? Please. High five. No? No? Mom is going to cry. I'm going to cry like Sarah. Let me cry like Sarah. Shall I show you how you look when you're crying? Shall I say, ah, like this? Does it look nice, Sarah? That's good. Keep smiling, okay? Don't cry, okay? Very good, Ma. I saw yours. Okay, next. H. I said F. Going to punch your nose, see Tilakar. I said F. Next is I, children. I. Fine. I. Naughty this boy. I. E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. I. Very good, Mayukta.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, Tilakar's mom. Nimalan's mom, ah.
Ma'am, is Nimalan's video visible?
Yeah,
now,
now
ma'am?
Nimalan is visible.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Very good. Next set of letters. K, L, M, N, O. K, L, M, N, O. 5. Ready? Shall we start? Mute yourself, Tilakar. First letter is M. Mom and the dad makes many meals. Is that M or W, Tilakar? Is that M or W? For M you will have a standing line, children. But for W you will get little bit slanting line. So be sure in that. M, very good, Nimalan. Good. M, well done. Shravanya, good. M. Next is K. 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 Very good, Sara. Pranavi, Pravina, Kadambari, Adya, Sharma. K. Dikha. Very good. K. Adya's mom, if you have a black sketch or marker, just outline it. Color is very light, what you have written. Afterwards, when you are free, if you have a black marker or a sketch, outline, just give an outline. Okay, very good, children. Next is O. Oh, Nitish joined. Good morning, Nitish. Oh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, Nitish. Don't cry. Come on, write O. O. Tilakar. O, Tilakar. Very good, Nitish. Adarsh. Oh. Very good, Adarsh. Yeah, don't unmute. I'm able to see everyone. Very good. Next is N. 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 Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Very good, Pranavi and Pravina. Good, Tilakar, Yukta, Kevin, Kadambari, Adya, Nitish, Sara. Very good. Adarsh, good. Next is what letter we left out, children? The final one. What we left out? Find it. What is the letter we left out? 5 cards we took, right? What is the final letter? I didn't say. L. Very good. L. 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 I lick my lollipop. I lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. Finish. Next set of letters. P, Q, R, S, T. P, Q, R, S, T. P, Q, R, S, T. 5 letters. First letter is R. R. See my dog, he ripped the rag. R. Why nobody took R? R. Very good, Ilango. R. Good, Mayukta. Shravanya. Nitsinja. Nimalan. Nitish, very good, Nitish. R. Very good, Ma Nakshatra. Kevin, good. R. Next is T. T. Adya, good. T. T. When I watch the tennis game. T. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. T. It will be like this. T. Sleeping line, a standing line. T. T. Adya only will show. Why Adya's mom you are showing? Huh?
We want to keep it to herself.
Oh, then how will you use the next time? Okay. T. Good. Good, everyone. Next is P. P. Puff, puff, puff. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff, puff. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. P. Sara, only one eye. There is another eye. Chucho, lost. P. Good, very good. Q, ma. Adarsh, what you are having is Q. P. Very good, Nakshatra. P. Well done, Shravanya. Sit down, Shravanya. Sit and do the activity. Should not lie down. Sit down. Next is S. S. Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. Very good, Ilango. You are good in identifying, Ilango. Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome. Sara. Yes for Sara. What?
Putting it on her nose, ma'am.
Oh, no, sir. Now nose is gone lost.
No good. Yes.
No nose. Very good, ma, Nitish. Super, Nitish. Okay, next letter is Q. Q.
Anyway, no game. No game.
Q. Q. Both eyes S and Q. Very good, children. Q. Well done. Wonderful. Now, next set of letters. See this girl? Sara. No, I can't see your face. I don't know this girl. U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Come on. Next set of letters.
U, V, W, next X, Y, Z. Yes, no, Shavanya. Shavanya. What, Shavanya?
Yes, for Shavanya, ma'am.
S for Shavanya. Yes for Sara. S for Shavanya. S for Srinija. Happy? U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And the first letter is W. W. Wow. W. Wow.
Show it to ma'am.
Wow.
Ma'am, caught it.
I see the clouds moving. Wow. I see the kites flying. Wow. I see the trees bending. Wow. The wind is blowing strong. Very good, Nimalan, Sara, Kevin, Kadambari, Riya, Sri. Very good. Well done, ma. Nakshatra. Srinija, where is your W? Very good. Well done. Next is Y. Y. Yeah. Very good, Nitish. Y. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. Very good, Malango. Yeah, why? Kevin, good, Kevin. Kadambari, very good. Riyasri, good. Nimalan, why? Good. Nitish, very good, Nitish. Why? Srinija. Shravanya, where is your why? Yukta. Why? Yeah, okay, fine. Adarsh, this is why. Adarsh, why? Why? Come on, take why. Yeah, very good, Adarsh. Next is you. Aapko umbrellas. Aapko umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Very good. Well done, Yukta, Nimalan. Sarah, you. Tilakar, you. Very good. Kadambari, good. Good mark, Kevin. Nitish, very good. Nakshatra, good. Nakshatra, is your mama helping you to take the alphabet? Huh? You yourself is taking. நீங்களே எடுக்கிறீங்களா alphabet? நீங்களே எடுக்கணும். No help, okay? Next is V, children. V. Ooh, drive Vicks van round the village. Drive Vicks van round the village. V, Sarah V. Aha, Kadambari. Very good, Kadambari. V for vanilla, ma'am. V, very good, Manitish. Very good, Adarsh. V. V for vanilla, ma'am. Oppa. Okay, next is Z. Z. Have you ever heard a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Have you ever heard a bee buzz, buzzing like this? Very good. Well done. Well done, all of you. Next, what letter ma'am missed out? Come on, let me see. Yeah, very good, Tilakar. Which letter ma'am missed out now? Now, one letter ma'am missed out. What was that? W. Is it W? No, it's not W. X. X. Only X ma'am missed out, okay? Very good. Now, clap hands for yourself, children. Clap hands for yourself. A loud clap. Come on, a clap for your friends also. They also did the activity, right? Come on, clap hands and encourage your friends. Very good, all of you. All of you stand up for Kidsy Anthem. Stand up for Kidsy Anthem. Ready? Join your hands and close your eyes. Kadambari, repeat after ma'am, Kadambari. Kidsy Anthem. You are within me.
You are within me.
You are infinite.
You are infinite.
You are unique.
You are unique.
My potential inside.
My potential.
You are the wings.
You are the wings.
Beneath my flight.
Beneath my flight.
You define me.
You define me.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge.
With all my might.
With all my might.
I shall achieve you.
I shall achieve you.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
Yes, very good morning, children.
Good morning.
Yeah, very good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Ready for the warm-up activity? Stand up, don't sit down. Stand up.
What's going on?
Run, run, run.
Ding, ding, ding.
Is all of you go drink one glass of water and come back, children? Drink water and come back.
He's lying.
Very good, Adya Sharma. Ilang- Slowly, slowly. Very good, Ilango. Very good. Next. Very good, Ma Nakshatra. Next. Very good, Nitish. Next.
He's lying.
Very good, Kevin. Next.
Mommy, and I am.
Very good, Riyasri. Next. Next. Sarah. Where is Sarah? Sarah. Okay, next. Sarah is here.
Look at there.
Sarah.
Yes,
Here I am. Very good, Sarah. Very so sad, Sarah. Next. Very good, Pranavi. Very good, Pravina. Srinija. Very good, Srinija. Next. Very good, Tilakar. Next.
Here I am, Mom.
Very good, Yukta. Next.
Here I am, Mom.
Very good, Kadambari. Next.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. Next. Mokshita is absent. Next.
Here I am, Mom.
Very good, Nimalan. Next. Next. Adarsh. Okay, thank you, Adarsh. Okay. Next, children, yesterday I taught you a new rhyme, right? Who remembers that rhyme? What rhyme was that? What rhyme did ma'am teach you yesterday?
Mommy, Daddy.
Mummy Daddy rhymes, huh? Is that the rhyme I taught you yesterday? Mummy Daddy rhymes also we learned. But yesterday I taught you a new rhyme. What was that? What was that? Nobody knows, huh? Nobody understood which rhyme I taught you? Five senses rhyme. Yes? Five senses rhyme. I have two eyes that can see. I have one nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They make me feel things pretty much. I have 2 ears that can hear and one tongue that helps me taste. These are all my five senses. These are the things I should not waste. Okay, so this is the rhyme and the name of the rhyme is Five Senses. Srinija, mute yourself, ma. Okay, one more time. I have two eyes that can see. I have one nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They make me feel things pretty much. I have 2 ears that can hear and one tongue that helps me taste. These are all my five senses. These are the things I should not waste. Yes? From tomorrow I'll ask one by one. You have to learn it. Okay, children? Today I'll send you the audio of this also. Okay? And next is, come on, take your calendars. What is the date today? Who knows? What is the date today? Yesterday was 1 to 12. Today is 1, 3, 13. Very good. Come on. 1, 3, 13. Color the date. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. One, 3, 13. And the day is Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Kevin, what are you doing, Kevin? Kevin, hold your crayon properly and color. Very good, ma. Very good, Kevin. Good. Well done, Kevin. Good. Very good. All of you finished your coloring. 13, 1, 3, 13. Now I want you to point out from number 11. 1, 1, 11. Keep your pointer finger in number 11. 1, 1, 11. Point out where is 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. Shravanya, point out 16. Point out 16 in your calendar. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. Likewise, regularly look at the calendar and read from 1 to 20, children. Point out each number and you learn it every day. Okay, now keep your calendars down. Yesterday, come on, bring your slate, all of you. Yesterday, what alphabet did we learn? Small letter we learned, right? What small letter we learned yesterday? Yes?
Morning.
Small a. Very good, Ilango. Small a. Now, come on, write the small a in your slate. Small a. Write in your slate, all of you. Bring your slate and write in your slate. As soon as you finish your class, you yourself should clean your slate, children. Clean it and keep it in your shelf, okay? Or keep it in your bag. Small a. What is it, Ilago? What are you writing? One minute, Ilago. Now show me. What is it? Small a. Okay, good. Good. Small a. Very good, Kadambari. Children, one minute, children. Look at the screen. 1 minute.
ஏய் டஸ்டரை தொடிடா டஸ்டர் தானே நல்லா இருக்கும் ஸ்ரீ
See, you have 4 lines like this, right? Mute yourself, children. Those unmute yourself. Please mute yourself. You have 4 lines like this, yes or no? So what you are going to do? How you are going to write A in between the blue line? In your notebook, you will have blue line, but in the slate you have white lines. Yes. So in between the white lines, you are going to write a curve, go up, come down. A. A curve, go up, come down. A. Curve, go up, come down. A. When you understand how to write A, it is going to be very easy, children. A.
மேம் இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் see மேம் எவ்வளவு ஸ்மாலா பண்ணிருக்காங்க இது the small
A.
ஒழுங்கா உட்கார்
Small a.
போய் அப்படியே மேல போயிட்டு அப்படியே கீழே வரணும்
Yes. Finish. Ifta, show me how you have written. Sarah, you didn't unmute yourself, Sarah. I can hear whatever you are speaking. Hey. Yeah, very good, Ma Yukta. Very good. Kadambari. Show me your A, Kadambari. Where is your A? Kadambari. Why, Kadambari? You can't hear me, huh? Where is your A? Small a. Very good. Well done. Okay, today we are going to learn a new letter B. And what is the phonic sound for B? B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. So from the red line, a standing line and a curve. From the red line to the blue line and a curve in between the blue line. If you are writing in your slate, in between the white line. Here a standing line and a curve. But capital Capital B, how will you write, children? You will draw a double curve, right? But for small b, only a single curve. Okay, see here. B. B is very easy, children. Draw a standing line and a curve. Come on, write.
I finished, ma'am.
Yes, finished. Let me come back. Wait a minute. Very good, Maita. Beautiful. Good. Very good, Ilango. Nitish. Adarsh. Very good, Adarsh. Riyasri, good. Very good. Pranavi and Pravina trying to write good. Sarah, where is your B? Kevin, B. Standing line and a small curve. Very good, Makadambari. Nimalan, very good, Nimalan. Sarah, B and D, both together, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, ah. Come on, try to write within the line, ma, Sarah. The same thing we are going to do it in worksheet also. Very good, Nakshatra. Now, today's worksheet is D07LT. D07LT.
Look at this fan.
Very nice, Ma Shravanya. Capital and small letters. Very good. Take your worksheet D07LT. Yesterday we wrote with a pointer finger, right? The same way you have to do. Before that, write today's date. Today's date is 13-7-2121. 2121. Come on. With the pointer finger from number 1, you have to start, children. From here, you will start number 1. From here, come down like a standing line and then a curve. D07LT. You will have a bat and ball. B. And here also you have 5 blanks here. B. Let me know if anybody is not having these blanks in your worksheet. Srinija only, I think. Others are having blanks in your worksheet, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In case if anyone is not having this type of worksheet, please let me know. Except Srinija.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Nitish
Who's
done,
this?
ma'am. Nitish
Nitish
finished,
finish. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Nitish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Once you finish it, please let me know, children. We'll move on to the next worksheet. B for butterfly. B for ball. B for balloon. B for bag. B for books. Books. Those who have finished, try writing the next sheet, that is B sheet. Let the others also finish. Like same way, yesterday how you wrote A, the same way you have to finish B at home. Now if you have time, you can write. Others, everyone finished up. We'll move on to the next worksheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish. Kadambari finish. Yukta finish. Nitish finish. Who else?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Okay, next worksheet is D08LT. D08LT. Write today's date. Trace the letters. Color the objects that starts with the same letter sound. A and B is given. A for Ilango, what will you get for A? A for flower or A for apple?
Huh?
Yeah, circle apple. A for apple. Very good. Next. Next letter is B. B for Yukta, B for butterfly or B for cat?
B for butterfly.
B for butterfly or B for cat?
First answer, Miss. B for butterfly or B for
Yukta, B for butterfly or B for cat? What will you circle?
Play.
Yeah, very good. B for butterfly. Children, first circle, children. Don't start coloring. First circle. Okay. Next is A for axe and A for ant. Both are the right answer. You can circle both the pictures. A for axe and A for ant. Both are correct only. And next B. B for elephant or B for balloon, Riyasri?
B for என்ன?
B for elephant or B for balloon?
B for என்ன வரும்? சொல்லு. ஏய்.
Which one? B for balloon or B for elephant?
அவ சர்க்கிள் போட்டா. சொல்லு. என்னது அது?
Balloon. Balloon. 1 month has gone over. Still you are feeling shy to answer me, Aryasri. Okay, now you have to trace it, children. Trace it and then finally color it, okay? A curve. Go up and come down. A standing line and a curve. B. Again. A. And then B. Trace it and start coloring it. Circle it accordingly, children. First, A for apple. Next is B for butterfly. Third one, axe and ant. A for axe, A for ant. And the fourth, again, B for balloon. Finish circling. Very good, Tilakar. Coloring also finish, huh? Very good. Good boy. Okay, write the, don't waste your time, write the B page. I'll give you star. First write B. Don't waste your time. Others, those who are finished, you can continue writing B.
Fish, ma'am.
Very good, ma, Kadambari. Continue writing the B page, ma. Adya, finish, ah? Adya, finish coloring that page. That page you didn't do? A for apple coloring. Very good, Pranavi and Pravina. Only the circled picture you should color, children. Don't color all the pictures. Only the right picture you have to color. Yes, Pranavi, don't waste your time. Write B after coloring. Finish? Very good, ma. Nitish, good. Start writing B, Nitish. Don't waste time, write. Everyone finished? Adarsh, are you coloring, Adarsh? Yeah, right. Color. Kevin, finish. Very good. Good, Yukta. All of you take your My Word Trip book. Finish. Take your My Word Trip book. A page. My Word Trip book. Yeah, very good, children, both of you. Axe also you should color, ma, Pranavi and Pravina. A for axe and A for ant. Why you didn't color axe? Axe. Take your My Word Trip book. A page, children. Take your pencils also. My Word Trip book.
Sorry, ma'am. Now I think Pranati and Pravina will do the axe color, ma'am.
Okay. Take your My Word Trip book, children. A page. Take your pencils also. Fast. Pranavi, Pravina, you can do it afterwards. Take My Word Trip book. My Word Trip book edunga first. Okay. Now we are going to circle all the small letter A here. You can see the small letter A for aeroplane. Only A you are going to circle. Okay. Don't circle the whole. Don't circle the whole word. Only A. See here.
ஏனி மாத்திரம் circle
A மட்டும் circle பண்ணு. Only A. See here. Only A.
ఎక్కడెక్కడంతా small ఉందో
See here, all of you, look at the screen. See how ma'am has circled A, small A. Only that you have to circle. Slowly you do it. No need to hurry up. Slowly you circle small letter A. Yes, Mokshita.
And what did you do?
Take your My Word Trip book, A page. Here, wherever you find small letter A, you have to circle.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Many places you will have A also. Not only the starting letter. In between also you will have A. That
Okay.
also you have to find out and circle.
Okay.
For example, astronaut, you have starting letter A and after N also you will have one A. 2A is there in astronaut.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, like that you have to circle. Only A. Don't circle the whole word.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Kadambari very sleepy, Amma. Kadambari, தூக்கம் வருதா?
Ma'am.
No, Mama. Yawning. Today's Vanilla Ma'am class is very boring, ah? Ah?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Nova. Chucho.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Mokshita's mom.
Ma'am.
சொல்லுங்க மோக்ஷிதா அம்மா.
Actually, she missed the class, ma'am, so she feel very sad.
Okay, no issues. Don't be sad, ma Mokshita. Okay?
She's
The videos
asking
will be-
daily, ma'am, what happened to my online class? What happened to my online? Daily, she is asking me.
What to do? Her brother is attending exam. What to do, Mokshita? Don't worry, okay? You can catch up in YouTube. We are uploading it in YouTube, right? You can watch
Ma'am,
it, okay?
what about the homework? Ma'am, homeworks and all you send in WhatsApp, right, ma'am?
Yeah, I sent yesterday also. Small letter A page. Today B they have to write.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I'll send it today also. You check WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay,
fine.
ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. I will check up, ma'am.
Yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. All of you circled A, va? A. Very good. See, in animals also you have 2A here. Animals. 2A in animals. Like that you have to circle. All of you show your book. Let me see. Wow, good. Sarah circled. Animals, how many circles? Show me. Animals, how many A did you circle? 2A circled. Only 1A, va? Sarah, I can't see clearly.
Yes, ma'am. She circled only one.
2A is there, no? That's what I told you, children. Check the word. You have 2A in that. Astronaut, you have 2A. Animals, you have 2A. Adya, very sincerely searching for A. Very good, Pranavi and Pravina. Good. Very good. Next is the B page. Take the B page and do. Take the B page. B also the same way. Circle all the B. Wherever you see small letter B, circle it. Circle all the small letter B. Very good, Yukta. Small letter B. Very good, children. I saw all of your books. Very good. Those who are finished, you can take B page and circle small letter B alone. Small B. Small letter B, where is small letter B? Search like that. Each and every picture you search. Even here. Here, children, are you all circling here? Here you have one B, and here also you have one B. That also you can circle, okay? Yes, ma, circle B. Mokshita, see here, like this you have to circle alone, B alone. Can you see? B மட்டும் circle பண்ணுங்க. Adarsh. Very difficult, Adarsh. So to search B. Huh?
இங்க வேற எங்க இருக்கே கண்டுபிடி வேணா
போயிச்சா?
Ma'am, Pranali and Pravina, ma'am.
Finisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Kadambari finished, ma'am.
Very good, Pranavi and Pravina. Kadambari. Ilango.
You're finding
Finish, Ilango.
B, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
D கிடையாது
B தான் B.
B கிடையாது. B. Why இளங்கோ அம்மா? தப்பா சொல்றீங்க.
Ma'am, please ask Nimalan to draw circle, ma'am.
Nimalan.
Nimalan, இங்க பாரு உன்னை தான் கூப்பிடுறாங்க.
Come on, do it. Unless you do it, you can't go. Come on, finish. Only when you finish, you can leave the session. Kevin, finish. Very good, Riyasri. Very good, Riyasri. Who's that finish?